Printing again on the CR10, this time the muscle car model. The slight issue with the support on the corner, so I've stuck some masking tape on there, hopefully it'll come out. The finish is looking pretty good at the moment. It's the Filament Noble Blue, or possibly Noble Blue. It's coming out really well so far, so hopefully we'll get a decent print out of it. Also printed on a flash forge. This is the canopy of the Vertigo Galaxy fighter plane that I've been printing for the last few days. Slight issues, we've probably not got enough Rapunzel silver left to complete this. I think that's the last spool that I've got of it. It will at least let me do a colour match to see whether I think that it actually works as a colour combination. So at the very least we'll get a print that we can offer up to the other one. This is what's currently printing on the Prusa. As you can see, I've sliced it in Simplify 3D. It's 200% of its normal scale. For those that don't know, where have you been? That's the 3D Benchy, which is a great benchmarking tool that was created by Daniel Nerea for Creative Tools. And suffice to say, I've printed quite a lot of these, and this is printing with a new material to me, so it's good to give it that standard benchmark treatment.